If there's one thing that you could do to really boost your health as well as that of your family, it would be to add fish twice a week to your plate. Twice a week is where we see huge benefits in slashing your rate of heart disease, even fighting dementia down the road. And in the short term, those omega-3 fats help your skin look gorgeous. The good news is you don't have to go more than that. Omega-3 fats, that's the kind of fish that you want to look for should be rich in omega-3 fats. Tuna, salmon, barramundi, sardines, mackerels. These are some of the richest omega-3 fat foods on the planet, and we see that that protein package that fish uniquely offers, that combo of omega-3 fat, vitamin D, selenium, and protein, really is a superfood for super health.